The goal for today's roundtable was really for us to come around as a community in the financial services sector, as well as those in the telco sector, to discuss where is the banking and the financial sector actually going, especially on the backdrop of digitisation. COVID has really been quite a very big shift, a game changer in terms of how we embrace technology. And for us, especially at MTN, we wanted to hear it directly from the horse's mouth on what challenges are they facing, how have they addressed it in the short term, and there's a whole mindset shift that really needs to be done from a skill set, from an understanding, from a culture perspective.
Future of banking, financial services is around collaboration, and it's around simplicity. It's around ensuring that we use the data that we have to accelerate the customer experience that we are all driving for. And in African context, that does not only mean being able to digitalize everything. It's also a case of how do we bring in the customer in our conversations as we provide the necessary solutions that the customers actually need.
COVID has done a great deal for digitization, so it's really propelled us forward. Some current challenges that we're facing from a banking industry is a lot around skills, being able to build the right skills, retain the right skills, and really transform the skill set from our legacy technology to the new technology, especially from ABSA, a lot of mergers, and that brings with it legacy technologies. And then also regulations. One of the biggest hurdles that we are facing is getting cloud approval in some of our African markets and really getting our regulators to trust the technology and be able to provide the services to clients through the cloud.
How do we get more into the digital space? How do we move, for example, in terms of a cashless society, where we will take heed in terms of the regulation and the policies, even digital currency, and also building about trust in terms of digital.
From a vendor perspective, we're starting to see more and more service providers wanting to adopt themselves. If you're having a look at the telcos are now becoming banks, and we're starting to see the insurers as well, where insurers now want to become banks and play more in the financial space. So that's where we've started to see a change in the economy.
Historically, it's all been around sales and products. I think the future is around value and mutual benefit. How do we connect with our customers in a way that we meet their needs but still deliver shareholder value?
Today we have learned a lot of good future assumptions and also future frameworks for the Africa finance digitalizations. I think for Huawei and MTN, we are good partners. We will share what we have, our capabilities, and also we will provide good solutions and also good services to our customers.